So Tyro, recruit. You think you've got what it takes to become a Miles, a legionary soldier in the 2nd Augustan Legion, do you? Well, first of all, we need to teach you some Latin orders. The first order is a nice one. It's just to relax. When I shout Laxarte, you will put your feet apart and your arms behind your back. When I shout Intente, you will stand to attention by putting your feet together, your shoulders back, your chest puffed out, your arms by side, your head held high. Laxarte. Intente. Laxarte. Intente.
Movement. Intente. Laxarte. Intente. Laxarte. Intente.